My name is Baby. Baby. Today my my topic is the pupils of Confucius, means Socratic. The Taiwanese students' adjustments in the Western teachers' language class. Because the time limitations, I will present my presentation very fast, and some detailed information will be skipped. So you can ask me the questions after my presentation. Okay, my contents including the introduction, literature review, and the methodologies. They are the first chapters of my research. And about the introduction, because learning a second language implies some degrees of learning a second culture, it is important to understand what we mean by the cultural learning. According to Brooks, it means when we learn a language, we also learn its culture. So, when students learn a foreign language, their identity, motivations, and the teachers' recognitions toward their students will be one of the crucial parts that may influence students' foreign language learning. When two different cultures come to the second language classrooms, teachers and students are the are the two main roles in the classroom. So we must consider if teachers' teaching style matches students' learning style. Research on 2000 shows that students will gain more knowledge, retain more information, and perform far better when teaching styles match teaching learning styles. Statement of the progress is that many studies urges for the need of exploring the mismatch between EFL students' attitudes, expectations about learning, teaching, and their foreign teachers. Besides, few studies explore Taiwanese students' adjustment in the foreign teachers' class. So the purpose of my study will be to investigate Taiwanese students' perspective and their adjustment to the foreign teachers' teaching style. Then I will to investigate the influence of the foreign teachers' teaching style on Taiwanese students' learning attitude. And the research questions will be: what are the Taiwanese students' perspectives on foreign teachers' teaching styles, and how the Taiwanese students adjust to the foreign teachers' teaching style? Then, what are the influence of the foreign teachers' teaching styles on Taiwanese students' learning attitude? And the literature review. In the beginning, I will introduce you what the culture is. Then I will focus on the academic culture in this text. Because teacher and students are the two main roles in the second language classroom. So I will focus on teachers' teaching style and the students' learning styles and strategy. Culture. According to Brown 2007, he explained that culture is the way of life. It is a context within which we exist, think to others, and it is also the good that binds a group of people together. So culture is a way of life. Its function is to bind a group of people together. Yeah. And about the academic culture in this text, according to Lin, he says, the academic cultures in distance occur more often in the academic setting, where the classroom consists of two main roles of non-native students of English and the native teachers of English. So you can see the academic setting means the second language classrooms, and the two main roles are the non-native students and the native teachers of English. About the teaching style, Feeder and the Solomons play teaching style in four categories. They are formal authority, demonstrators or personal model, facilitator, and the delegate. And about the learning style, Brown indicates that style, whether related to personalities, to combinations, characters, the consistent and the enduring trails, tendencies or preference that different you from another person. Students' learning style different them from other students. And about the learning strategy. Strategy means that, on the other hand, are specific methods of approaching a problem or task, models of operations for achieving a particular end, or plan designs for controlling and manipulating certain informations. Strategy means planning designs for manipulating certain information. And about my research process procedure. In the beginning, I will have a pilot studies in order to remodify my research question and my research design. And the students will be 1 semester. A formal study will be conducted after the pilot study. The duration will be 1 semester. Both quantitative and qualitative research will be used in my formal study. For the quantitative research, 1,000 questionnaires will be distributed to 6 target schools in the Middle Taiwan. And I will interview 3 Taiwanese students and 3 foreign teachers from the target schools. After the data collected, I will process data analysis. The 6 target schools are from the Middle Taiwan, and they are 3 private schools and 3 public schools. And each of them are universities of technologies. Others are the university in general. About my instruments, including questionnaire and the interview, the participants will be 600 university students and 3 foreign teachers. About my data analysis, questionnaire will be analysis by SPS and independent test and discrete statistic. And the interviews will use the method that designed by Marshalls and Russells. That's all about my presentations. Because I think this is the first draft of my research, so I think let's still have many shortcomings. I hope you can give me more suggestions. Thanks.